Okay, so I'm here with Jerry. Jerry, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Jerry Weinstock, and my company is CRM Innovation, and we're based in Kansas.
And so tell us a bit about CRM Innovation.
Well, we've been building CRM solutions and doing CRM consulting since 2003, and we built a number of sales and marketing technology solutions, event management, internet lead capture. We're demonstrating a mobile application that we built for a client here at Convergence this week, and we do CRM consulting and support.
Awesome. So why do you come along to Convergence? What value do you get out of it?
Well, the value I get out of it is you get the latest scoop from Microsoft, but the real key value is meeting people, renewing old acquaintances, and the personal relationships that you develop, because you can get the technology, online in a lot of cases, and as MVP, I get it through the monthly program manager updates.
Yep.
But it is meeting people and hanging out and learning things from other people is what you get firsthand.
Excellent. So CRM 2013 is out. What do you like?
Well, what I like about it is that it's even more stable than 2011. It is clean. There's some new things that you can do with the system that don't require programming, and clients really love that. And we found that just about all our clients like the new interface. In particular, the ones that haven't seen the previous 2011 interface that they have to now relearn a little bit. So there's a little angst over that, but anytime you have to learn a little something different new, there's some challenges. But the new interface, new clients really like it.
Yeah. And so if we're looking at CRM add-ons to help you implement projects, what are the top add-ons you often implement?
Usually it's email marketing is a key one, and then we've done some things where you get forms submitted from your website into CRM, and people want to really expedite that process.
Yeah, fantastic. So Jerry, you're a Dynamic CRM MVP. Tell us a bit about the value you get out of being an MVP.
Well, for me, it's really priceless. I look at it, it's probably the highlight of my entire professional career, quite frankly. The value I get is I get to hang out with 50 plus other really, really smart people, and there's something that I come away with every time when I'm hanging out with them. The meetings with the product team and the insight that I get from that is really valuable, but it's really about the personal relationships with other MVPs, and then the community participation is really great.
Fantastic. And so if you're talking to an aspiring MVP, what recommendations would you have for them?
Well, the first place you really start is, I think, the traditional places. You start on the support forums and start contributing and sharing your knowledge and experience. And then you can expand to participation in the CRM user group activities, presentations, writing topics. If you're a coder from day one, then if you can do something and share it with the community on Codeplex, that's another great thing to do. So it's really about giving back to the community, and there's a multitude of ways that you can do that.
Yeah, fantastic. So in closing, Jerry, is there anything you'd like to add?
If you're not at Convergence, you're missing a great opportunity to network with other like-minded individuals.
Excellent, thanks.